Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a lighting logo like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy, and let's get started. First create a new composition, then hit OK. Go to File and import your logo. Drag and drop your logo. Press S and increase your logo. Then press P to bring this logo up. Right-click and pre-compose logo. Make sure that you are on Move All Attributes into the new composition. Then hit OK. Also pre-compose text, then hit OK. Create a new solid, and I'll call it Fractal Noise 1. Then hit OK. Then go to Effects and Presets and type Fractal Noise. Drag and drop on layer. Go to Contrast and change it to 200. And Brightness, 50. Go to Evolution, Alt and click, then type here, Time times 100. Go to Effects, Color Correction, Tint. Change white color to any color you want. Now drag this layer under logo, then press on toggle switches, then set None to Alpha Matte Logo. Create a new solid, and I'll call it Fractal Noise 2. Then hit OK. Then go to Fractal Noise 1, click on Fractal Noise, then press Shift and click on Tint. Then press Ctrl-C to copy. Then go to Fractal Noise 2 and press Ctrl-V to paste. Go to Tint and change this color to any color you want. Now pre-compose text with layer and also pre-compose logo with logo layer. Then pre-compose both. And I'll call it Logo Animation. Now I want to make this logo animation 3D, so I'll press on toggle switches, and I'll check 3D icon, Ctrl-D to copy, then go to second one, and press R, go to X rotation, and change it to 180, go to Y-axis and move it down, then go to Effects and Presets and type Fastbox Blur. Drag and drop on second logo animation. Change blur radius to 200. And set horizontal and vertical to horizontal. Okay, I need to decrease blur radius a little bit. Yeah, very good. Now go to Layer,